ये भी Unbox welcomes you to watch unboxing and review of two plain boxers from the brand Modern Crew. Let's do सीधी बात no बकवास. Let's see this very first one. This is blue chambray, comfortable waistband, concealed button fly for a quick action, side cuts for stylish look. This is the front, this is the back, one pocket on the back. Special layer of softness inside. 100% premium cotton, therefore going to be durable and comfortable. Made in India, that makes you feel proud. This is how it is from inside. This is grey chambray. The size of the boxer is little bigger, therefore I would suggest that you should buy one size smaller than your usual. Tell me your Sidhi opinion on these boxers in the comment. If new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. We'll be again doing Sidhi Baat No Bakwas.